Alternator audio AA 75.4 for the doors and stock electrical.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Jim Lo-Fi Coleman.
Okay.
9515 duty with an I motor.
Yep.
Wolfram W3K in the back.
Okay.
Ampere audio AA 75.4 for the doors and stock electrical and 17500 in the back.
Nice. Did you build the box?
Nah, a friend of mine did.
Okay. Have you metered it at all?
Yeah, it doesn't meter good.
Doesn't meter? Okay.
Too much flex.
Too much? Yeah.
It's pretty rough.
Sure. Yeah.
The roof is floppy. It's still working.
You probably have to dynamite it or do it woodwork.
Putting wood up there plus dynamite.
Yep. All right,
and
man.
Chevy got that week 10 roof. So.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, you have a good night, man.
You too, man. Y'all have a great day.
You too. Yes, sir. I'm gonna look right here real quick. The amp's down here.
That's the driver amp. That's the sub amp back there.
There's your battery. This is at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. Have a good day.
You too, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Okay. All right. Demo time.
Installer that takes stick in the ass and won't hide.
Thank you for the demo, man.
I appreciate you
sir.
doing the video, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The roof is floppy. It's still working.
You probably have to dynamite it or
I'm
do a
thinking
woodwork.
about putting wood up there plus dynamite.
Yep. All right, man.
Chevy got that week 10 roof.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, you have a good night, man.
You too, man. Y'all have a great day.
Yes. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.